What is AFSPA? The Armed Forces Special Powers Act, AFSPA 1958, is a parliamentary act that grants special powers to the Indian Armed Forces and the state and paramilitary forces in areas classified as disturbed, and paramilitary forces in areas classified as disturbed areas. Let's delve into its details, objective and importance. The primary objective of implementing the AFSPA Act is to maintain law and order in disturbed areas where militancy, insurgency, or other security threats prevail. It provides security forces with extraordinary powers to deal with such situations effectively. Key provisions and powers: shoot to kill. AFSPA empowers the Army, state, and central police forces to use lethal force, including shooting to kill when faced with internal disturbances. Search and destroy. Security forces can search houses and destroy any property that is likely to be used by insurgents. Arrest without warrant. The Act allows for the arrest of individuals without a warrant if they have committed or are about to commit a cognizable offense. Legal immunity. It provides security forces with legal immunity for their actions in disturbed areas. Historical background. The AFSPA has colonial origins. It was first enacted as an ordinance in 1942 during the Quit India movement. The ordinance gave the armed forces a license to kill during internal disturbances. Post-independence. The Indian government promulgated different acts under AFSPA for various regions. State-specific implementation. The AFSPA is applied selectively to areas where ordinary laws are inadequate to deal with extraordinary situations. It is invoked when the territorial integrity of India is at risk due to militancy or insurgency. Let's explore some specific cases of Armed Forces Special Powers Act, AFSPA implementation. Kashmir conflict. AFSPA has been in force in Jammu and Kashmir for several decades. The conflict in the region has led to numerous instances of its implementation. Security forces have used AFSPA powers during counterinsurgency operations, leading to both praise and criticism. Manipur. Manipur has witnessed prolonged insurgency and ethnic conflicts. AFSPA has been controversially implemented in the state. The Malome Massacre, also known as the Manipur Massacre, in 2000, where security forces killed 10 civilians, brought significant attention to AFSPA's impact. Assam. Assam has faced insurgency related to separatist movements and ethnic tensions. AFSPA has been used during operations against militant groups like the United Liberation Front of Assam, ULFA. Instances of alleged human rights violations have been reported. Jammu and Kashmir, POST 2019. After the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019, AFSPA's application in Jammu and Kashmir has been a subject of debate. The region has seen both security operations and civilian protests. Critics argue that the Act's continued implementation raises human rights concerns. Nagaland. Nagaland has a long history of insurgency. AFSPA has been in force in the state to address security challenges. The Act has faced criticism for its impact on civil liberties and accountability. In summary, AFSPA remains a contentious issue, balancing security imperatives with human rights concerns. Its implementation and impact continue to be debated, emphasizing the need for a nuanced approach to maintain law and order while safeguarding individual rights.